we're going to plant some trees, and it looks like these are the trees that we're going to plant here. And they're little pots, very easily. We don't have to dig a humongous hole or anything there. You can dig it with a spade. We got our boat down there. People are deboating here, and a little cool here in the shade. Not too bad here, and all around here. I don't know. This is like a world wildlife thing where we're going to be planting these trees here. So we shall see. So folks, come back in 100 years and find these trees, and you might see one that I personally planted there. All right, M1 Man Travel. Bye-bye. Oh, this looks like the field of trees here. Somewhat like the Field of Dreams. Watch we don't step on them here, because they're...
So these are from our last group that was here with Bedley and I.
All right, the guys are getting them ready. We got to watch we don't step on the ones that were planted here. Gotta be careful. And they have them marked out. We got a little spade type digging type thing here. Looks like each one is half of a post digging shovel, and that should be pretty good. So eventually all of these are probably going to have all trees down here. So we see the other ones planted. All right, got to get to doing our job here. Let's see here.
Brad, you need the cow pot.
When you plant the tree, make sure you make some weeds, make sure that they can grow very well.
Instead of using plastic.
On the other side.
Yeah.
Then you have to be back on your... Perfect. Ed.
Guido.
Yeah.
Is that the adjutant nest you're looking at from the other side?
This one, but this is the one of the area they will make a nest. Yeah.
Those are different adjutant
Yeah.
nests?
Okay. The one we saw earlier is the other side. Okay.
So we're putting it in here now.
More different adjutants.
We got it in here. It's a little bit lower.
Oh, I saw them flying around. Yeah.
Put the dirt
Does it have to
around
be
it here.
tamped down or anything?
No, they can.
No?
Yeah, there's another.
Because once they get some water and then you can drain and then they go.
Okay, I think we did it. We did it. All right. A little bit of help there.
Yeah.
Make some weeds, take photo and that.
Okay, there it is. The fruit of my labors here. My tree. My tree. Remember me, my tree here. Giving you my vibes here. To grow tall. Grow tall and strong. All right, mission accomplished.
Yeah.
Now the other folks are planting their trees there.
Where do you do it?
You can put